It's going to be a reading for the sign of Gemini, so all that you guys can expect moving forward. So let's start. What you guys are going to be going through. Let's take 3 cards for you moving forward. Gemini, month of May. Right now, many of you guys could be feeling left out in the cold. Okay, I see kind of silence in your life when it comes to your relationships. Your person could have ghosted you out of nowhere. It has been going on for a while. Okay, one more card. What else do you see going on in Gemini's life? With King of Pentacles right now, if you might also be very concerned about the finances. Okay, like in the recent past you were saving your money, you were not wanting to spend too much, you were investing wisely. Okay, so if you guys have been not doing so well financially, things are going to look good in the coming weeks. Okay, what else do we see coming up in Gemini's life? Okay, with Nine of Wands, many of you guys feel like you have gone through too much. Okay, like your journey hasn't been easy, your relationships hasn't been easy. Your person made you go through a lot, and it's not just emotional. Some of you, this person put you a lot through a lot of third parties, a lot of weird experiences. Betrayed you. Some of you even took you for granted, but you still hold, you're still holding your ground. Okay, some of you are still waiting to see what this person is going to do about it, whether they're going to return, whether they're going to give you a closure. But I don't see you completely giving up on it. You are still holding on. Okay, in terms of the relationship, one card for the relationship in terms of energy, where this is going. Gemini 2021. In terms of relationship, energy wise, I still feel you have a very good connect with this person, a very emotional connection, a very sexual connection, a very one-to-one connection. Okay, in the recent past this person could have ghosted, yet after ghosting you cannot let go of them. You still feel like this is your person, like this is the one. Okay, one more card in terms of your person, in terms of your soulmate. What are they going through, Gemini? With Seven of Cups, this person is just confused. Okay, um, in the recent past with Ten of Pentacles in the reverse, this person could have issues with commitment. Okay, they sometimes almost promise people marriage and then they back out. Okay, that's been their pattern for the longest time. I also feel for selected few of you, a person could have just been out of a marriage that they were in, or like a commitment or a third party. Selected few of you, but even after that, I still see them confused. Okay, in terms of how are they thinking about Gemini now? How are they really thinking about Gemini? With Four of Swords right now, they have taken a break from you. Okay, they are not initiating any sort of conversation. No one is doing anything. Okay, this person, even if you message them, they do not reply in the right way. Some of you, they haven't replied at all. Okay, they have gone silent. In terms of their energy towards you, what's their energy towards you? Gemini, so much energy towards Gemini, please. In terms of energy, we have Wheel of Fortune. Okay, this person is still keeping their hopes high that this could get somewhere in the future. Okay, in the past we have Ten of Cups. Top we have the Fool card, which tells me that in the past, even if you guys were not together, even if there was a separation, they still had feelings for you. It's just that they were not wanting to open up, or like possibly commit to you, or make any sort of difference in this connection. They were holding back. Okay, one card for what's their intentions towards you now. What's this person's intentions towards Gemini, please? We have Ten of Pentacles in the reverse. This person isn't ready for a commitment. They are not ready. Okay, what's blocking them? What's really blocking, or what's really getting in the way, Spirit? What's really getting in the way for some of you? I believe this person isn't doing very well financially. Like there could be financial difference between the two of you. Like either you're not doing well or they are not doing well. In some which way, someone is not doing well. Okay, and there's a lot of resistance coming from their side. They do not feel like whatever they have to offer is something you could look up to. Okay, what else could be blocking the connection, Spirit? What else could be blocking the connection? Page of Cups. For some of you, there might be age difference. Okay, if there's no age difference as such, I believe your person could be having a child. Okay, like they have a baby mother or something like that. But I do feel even if they are single, even if they are approachable, this person isn't ready for a commitment, and that very much could be getting in the way. Okay, one card for what action are they going to take towards you. What action are they going to take towards you? In terms of action with the Hanged Man, I still feel like this person is going to hold back for a while. Okay, this person is definitely going to hold back for a while. Okay, I don't see them taking any sort of fast action towards you. They are rather being more in control of this connection. So I don't see them initiating any sort of action towards you, at least for the next couple of days. In terms of what can Geminis expect from this person now, what can Geminis truly expect from this person now? Ten of Cups. See, honestly speaking, you cannot trust them completely. Reason being, they could be on and off with you. So sometimes they might come forward, sometimes they might just go off. Okay, so I do believe they are dealing with a lot on a personal level. In the recent past, they could have also taken your help, like financially or in terms of emotional support. And when things got good with them, they just left. So you can't really trust this person completely. Gemini is the person you are dealing with, kind of has taken you for granted. Okay, if it's not that, I believe for selected few of you there is a difference that is very much getting in the way. It's either age, it's either financial, or it's either someone is already bound to another relationship, like they have a kid together or some responsibility together. Okay, in terms of their feelings, how do they feel for you? One card for Gemini soulmates, feelings for Gemini, please. In terms of feelings, don't doubt their feelings. They do have a lot of shit for you. It's just that they are not ready to invest, they are not ready to form something or have something or build something. Like, what could happen the next coming 3 months? What could happen in the next 3 months with Gemini and their soulmate? That's the problem with the Hermit card. There are strong chances that even if they come forward, they might ghost you again. Okay, I do not intend to get the reading any negative or positive. My job is to tell you what could happen. Okay, there are a few people who are new to tarot, who have just started watching. They get very offended by it, but that's their problem. Okay, so just like I told you, right now nothing else could be happening in their life. Okay, there are huge red flags that I see. If they come back, they'll come back for a short term. I don't see them coming back for a long term. Okay, one more card for Geminis. I didn't mean to ignore or give up on you circumstances. So they are blaming it on the circumstances or whatever they had been going through. One last card for what do you need to know about this person in whole. Manipulation, sweet words you want to hear. So this person, whenever they come in front of you, they are very manipulative. They speak the words that you want to hear. Okay, but they do not act on it. So that could very much be getting in the way for many of you. Okay, so yes, this was your reading for the month of May. Okay, where do we see this going till the end of May, spirit, for Gemini and their person? To be honest, with Five of Cups in the reverse, this even if this person reaches out, I see them holding back a lot in terms of emotionally opening up to you. Okay, so that could very much be getting in the way for you guys. So please look out. I do not feel the past person is worth the wait. Okay, I feel many of you guys should be looking forward to something new now. Okay, and this was your reading and all that you need to know for the month of May. If it resonated, hit the like button, subscribe, comment. If you want a personal reading, please do reach out on my website or reach out on my WhatsApp, and we could connect and get it done for you. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon. Cheers.